Hey everyone, welcome to Single Step English. My name is Steve, and I help English learners like you speak more clearly and confidently in real-world situations. Today, we're going to master the pronunciation of one of the trickiest words in English, hierarchy. If you've ever struggled with this word or heard different pronunciations and weren't sure which one is correct, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more pronunciation tips. All right, let's get started. Before we focus on pronunciation, let's quickly talk about what hierarchy actually means. Hierarchy is a system where people or things are ranked at different levels, from the most important to the least important. Example, in a company, the CEO is at the top of the hierarchy and the employees are below. Many organizations, like schools and governments, have a hierarchy. Now that we understand what it means, let's learn how to pronounce it correctly. First, let's break this word into syllables. Hierarchy. But here's the thing, not every part is pronounced the way it looks. The HI, high, sounds like the word high. The ER sounds like the end of teacher. The AR almost disappears. It's a very weak sound. And CHY sounds like a key. Together they represent the word hierarchy. So the correct pronunciation is here, hierarchy. Once more, hierarchy. Remember, with this word, the AR sound is very weak. It's almost silent. Hierarchy. Try saying it with me. Hierarchy. Once more, hierarchy. Now, let's use hierarchy in a sentence. Most companies have a strict hierarchy where managers make the final decisions. Let's try practicing this sentence together. Repeat it after me. Most companies have a strict hierarchy where managers make the final decisions. Great job. To make it easier, let's practice some words that sound like hierarchy. The first one is monarchy. The meaning of monarchy is a government ruled by a king or queen. An example, the United Kingdom has a monarchy. Another similar word is anarchy. Anarchy, which is a situation where there is no government or rules. Example, after the revolution, the country was in a state of anarchy. So those are two bonus words that are similar to hierarchy. I think if you practice those three together, it really will help your pronunciation. If there are any other words that you find tricky or difficult to pronounce, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.